Hi boys and girls. This week's story is called The Mixed Up Nest, and it goes along with our unit about animals and different characteristics of those animals. All right. If you want to pause this video, you can. You should have a copy of this book in your ULS packet that was mailed to you. That way you can follow along with the book as we read together. All right, so go ahead and pause it, find your book, and then hit play when you're ready. All right, our story is called The Mixed Up Nest. What kind of animal uses a nest for its eggs? What do you think? Ooh, those are some good predictions. So maybe a bird. There's a bird right outside my house that has made a nest, and its eggs just hatched, so she's been feeding the babies all week, and I've been watching that. It's pretty neat. So we're going to find out what animals are in this story. All right, let's go ahead and open up our book. It says, Mama Duck went for a walk. Can you find Mama Duck? Point to her in the picture. Yeah, she's right here, Mama Duck. When she came back, there were 5 eggs in her nest. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look at all these different eggs, Mama Duck said. I only had 1 egg in my nest. Now there are 5. Which one is mine? Mama Duck looked at the eggs. In some ways, the eggs were different. In some ways, the eggs were the same. I can't tell which egg is mine, said Mama Duck. I guess I will have to wait for the eggs to hatch. Mama Duck waited and waited. Finally, an egg hatched. That's not my baby, said Mama Duck. That baby has 4 legs. My baby should have 2 legs, just like me. Anyone know what kind of baby that is? It's not a duck. No, that is my baby, said Mama Alligator. Yeah, it's a baby alligator. We learned in our story last week that baby animals look like their parents. Mama Duck waited and waited. Finally, another egg hatched. That's not my baby, said Mama Duck. That baby has a long, thin beak. My baby should have a wide bill, just like me. Yeah, that doesn't look like a duck. No, that is my baby, said Mama Hummingbird. Yeah, see how they look similar? They look the same. They have the same kind of beak. That is a hummingbird. Mama Duck waited and waited. Finally, another egg hatched. That's not my baby, said Mama Duck. That baby has a long, thin body and no legs or wings. My baby should have wings just like me. What kind of animal is that? Yeah, it's a snake. No, that is my baby, said Mama Snake. Mama Duck waited and waited. Finally, another egg hatched. That's not my baby, said Mama Duck. That baby has fur. My baby should have feathers, just like me. I wonder what it could be. No, that is my baby, said Mama Platypus. Oh, it's a platypus. See how they look similar? Mama Duck waited and waited. Finally, the last egg hatched. This baby has 2 legs and a bill just like me, said Mama Duck. This baby has wings and feathers just like me. This baby is a baby duck. Yes, this is my baby, said Mama Duck. You can point to the baby duck. And there's Mama Duck. What features do they have that are the same? They both have feathers. They both have their beaks. What else? Yeah, they both have 2 legs. Very nice. The end. All right, to go along with this story, you're going to answer some questions. So on your seesaw or in your packet, you're going to have this page right here that has questions 1 through 5 that go along with the story. Okay? Number 1 says, what was in Mama Duck's nest? Were there flowers, rocks, or eggs? What was in the nest? And you're going to circle your answer. Number 2, what did the eggs do? Did they grow, hatch, or roll away? What happened in our story? Again, circle your answer. Number 3, who did the first egg belong to? If you're not sure, look back in your story and find out. The first egg that hatched, was it a mama duck, a mama bear, or a mama alligator? Who did it belong to? Number 4, what was in the last egg? Okay, so the last egg that hatched, was it baby duck, baby snake, or baby turtle? And number 5, who did the baby duck look like? The baby duck, did it look like mama snake, mama duck, or mama platypus? Who did baby duck look like? You're going to circle your answer to all of those questions and then submit it on Seesaw or take a picture and send it to me. All right? Great job listening.